Hi, my name is Josh Ingraham. I'm the owner of Go Buddha Meals. We just opened our new eatery in Rocky River, and I just want to talk to you about a little bit about Payability. We had a really outstanding opportunity to partner up with Payability and just get access to working capital, which was something, as a new business, especially during a pandemic, is really tough to get. We have a vision, we have a future, we've got a great growth plan, but able to put it in action and be able to capitalize. Having companies like Payability that allow young companies like us, who haven't had established credit, even though we have, a good track record so far, being 8 months old, but in a place where we're now opening our own first eatery, they've allowed us to really kind of access, future funds that we know we're going to have. To everybody else is you got to seek out companies like Payability to be able to fund your dreams, to be able to make a difference in your life right now and take the stress off of waiting for that next sale. We had some great projections and forecasts. We had some really good data to play on.